Dear friends, in this video I'm going to tell you what are the document required to open Demat and trading account. So you can watch this video, you can understand what are the document required for Demat account opening. So number one is PAN card digital copy. Just you take your PAN card and make a scan and save as a JPG format. Second one is most Aadhar card digital copy. Just you can visit that Aadhar website. Just you can choose masked option. You will get your masked Aadhar card. You can also make it a JPG format, front page and back page separately. So this also digital copy. Third one is a signature. So just to sign on your white paper and make a photo or scan and save as a JPG format. Fourth one is bank proof. So this is the important things. So you can give three different kind of bank proofs. So first one is passbook front page digital copy. Just you can scan it and save as a JPG format. And or cancelled check leaf. This also digital copy. Just you can make a cancelled check leaf and scan it and keep save as a JPG format. You can also keep that one. And also give bank statement in a PDF format. Just you can download it to the corresponding bank last 3 month bank statement, save as a PDF format. So these all the things you need digital copies. So the important things is the bank proof must contain account number, IFSC and MICR code. So this is the important things. And the fifth one is income proof for activation of futures and option segment. So I don't like this kind of trading in option and futures. So if you want, you can also give income proof for this one to activate the futures and option segment. So and then I will tell you the details required for Demat account opening. Before going to opening your Demat account, just you can make this list and you can start to open your Demat account via online. So first one is your name. Your name you need, and also your mobile number, and third one is email ID, and fourth one is date of birth, fifth one is Aadhar number, and sixth one is PAN card number, and also write a bank name, bank account number, bank IFSC code. 10th one is UPI ID for 10th one is UPI ID of bank that you have given for Demat account opening. Make it the primary bank in GPay, Paytm or PhonePe before paying the Demat account opening fees using UPI. So here what you have to do, you have to pay the Demat account opening fees to, so which bank you are giving to the for Demat account opening. So if you are giving that year one bank, you have to pay the fees from that bank only. You should not pay another bank GPay or other PhonePe or Paytm. So this is important things. So you need to mention the trading experience in years and also the education qualification. So here you can mention 1 or 2 years. So then occupation, private or public sector, and also just mention your annual income. So 15th one is the important things. You have to mention your nominee name. So nominee name and also the relationship. If you have given your wife name, just you have to give your relationship for wife, like that. So 17 one is the mobile number. You have to give nominee mobile number and nominee email ID and nominee date of birth and nominee Aadhar card and also the nominee PAN number. So these are the important things you should have before start opening your Demat account. So this is the things. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe, comment and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.